So we have the ready to learn about Tokocrypto uh, mail from Coinmarketcap. It says here ready to learn Tokocrypto. So join the Tokocrypto TKO learn and earn campaign. So these are the updates, guys. The Tokocrypto campaign is currently on live, and it says here that Coinmarketcap works with trusted emerging projects to offer an easy way to learn about cryptocurrency, whereby in the process of learning it you get rewarded. This Tokocrypto reward is going to be is valued at $2. That's what each individual is going to receive, as well as 50 diamonds. Mind you, these diamonds are redeemable for various awesome awesome products on the Coinmarketcap airdrop. So guys, this is the airdrop. This is the update, guys. This is the update, and this video also has a disclaimer. The total number of people they are giving it out to says there are some things you should know. I might be dropping this, but if you see here, it says here that total price pool is $4,000 of tokens. So if it's $2 per person divided by $4,000, that's about 2,000 persons. They are going to be the lucky winners for this airdrop. So it's not currently stated if it's going to be on a first come first serve basis. So there are a lot of chances. Now for the quiz questions and the quiz answers, all you need to do, you need to sign up on Coinmarketcap. Sign up on Coinmarketcap. Um, let me see, walk you through the whole process. Sign up on Coinmarketcap. Currently now, the quiz questions they are currently available. I saw them online some moment. I'm going to be showing you. You can also do that. So let's yes, guys. I'm going to be posting this video so it doesn't too long, so it doesn't get too long, so you guys can see uh, the key moments on this video. So it says get started, learn TKO. All you need to do is just go to the bottom of it and to where they said take the quiz now. So I click on take the quiz. So guys, I'm going to open it on my phone. What you need to know is that for CoinMarketCap airdrops, you really need to I'm going to pause. You really need to put them on your watch list. There are some basics you need to do. Put them on your watch list. Put the token on your watch list. The share button, you need to save it up because you'll be needing it. Then your Binance UID, you need that too for these particular quiz questions and answers. So I'm going to pause video and go get those things. Okay, so I'm going to click on add coins, which I've clicked on, and see how far this whole stuff goes. Seeing having some network issues. So all you need to do is just go over to CoinMarketCap and so guys, because of time and network issues, I just skip that part now for now, but you really need to do it. I've shown you guys something that is easy for you to do. So what next you need to do, you can go up on Google and search for Tokocrypto quiz questions. You're going to see it. There's one I picked out, so I'm going to try and use it. There's one we picked out and we're going to try and using it. This is the one we got from Cointrix website. Is currently #1, so you can compare within one or two websites, whichever. First question, it says this was going to prompt you. Third, captcha. Fourth, say registered email. Binance UID. Then you need to answer the say which year was Tokocrypto done, 2018. What is Tokocrypto Token? TKO hybrid token. That's the next answer. As an exchange platform token, TKO offers airdrop entitlement, merchandise, trading fee discounts. So where can you buy and trade TKO? You can buy on Binance. 5 utilities of TKO as a hybrid token are exchange platform token, CeFi and DeFi, farming tools, lending platform, Tokomo. So for farming pools, what can users do? Users can lock, stake their TKOs and earn other tokens for free in the farming pool of their choice. Yes. So the main thing is to do at least public step and watch list. So guys, let's go back and impute these answers. So I'm clicking on this jot form. I'm dropping all the links in the description box below. I hope this video is not too long already. So I'll drop all these drop the videos there. So here I'm going to click on start. I have 13 questions. So you need to verify that you are not human. So I'm not a robot. Obviously. Not a robot, obviously. So I'm going to go for this next one. Next question. I agree. So 2018. What was the answer? Just TK. It's TKO. I think this should be all of the approved, guys. Let's go straight. So guys, this is where you drop your watch list. So this task is very easy to do. So I'm good to go, guys. So you can click on submit, and once your details are confirmed, you are good to go. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Can you click on the subscribe button, dropping more updates, so you can easily get access to them. I'll also be dropping the link to the website, or you can Google it up. Just type it also, I get access. So you can drop your comments in the comment section below, and let us know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if this video you find it helpful, it adds value to you. So the thing is that you should always keep your Binance UID, your Coinmarketcap watch list share link in a particular place, so you can always pick them up and utilize them for airdrops such as this. I'll also be updating you guys on more airdrops, guys. Let's just wait for this stuff to load up and kick off. Good, good. Guys, peace out. One love, Shiba Keys. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and let us know what you think in the comment section below. One love.